Jim Halpert wants to move his family to Philadelphia, but he needs money to move over there. He decides to start an account, a sinking fund. He puts $100 into the account each month. The account pays 4% annual interest compounded monthly. He starts this account in 2013. How much will be in the account in 2019? One of the first things you need to do is figure out how many payments are being made. Is it just one or is it multiple? Well, we know that Jim is starting this account in 2013 and ending the account in 2019, presumably in the same month. And he puts $100 into the account each month. What that means is he is making multiple payments. And what that means is that you will be using the TVM solver on the TI calculator. The TVM solver has 5 different variables to fill in. So we have capital N, I%, present value, payment, and future value. Capital N is little n, or the number of times it's compounded, times the number of years. And you can see that even though we aren't given the number of years, we can figure it out. We know the account starts in 2013 and ends in 2019. So what that means is 6 years have passed. You can do a little bit of subtraction here to find that y would be 6. Now as for n is found just like with any other compounding problem. You can find either the words compounded, and there it is monthly, or you can look for how often the deposit or payment gets made. In this case, he deposits $100 into the account each month. So N here is 12. I%, remember when you're using TVM solver, needs to be a percent, and you will divide it by the little n again. When starting a savings account or sinking fund, the present value is 0, and you know the payment is 100. Note, the payment is negative. Once you have all of this, you can use the keys alpha, enter, after you highlight the FV and have it blink to find the future value. Another quick note before I get into the answer, you can type 12 times 6 right into the calculator for this value, and it'll simplify it for you to be 72. And you can also just type this in as well, right into the calculator, and it'll give you approximately 0.3333 forever. From there, you can come down here and make sure the cursor is blinking next to future value, hit alpha enter, and get a future value of $8,122.26.